I wonder if I can balance a cold, icy water bottle on my head. I'ma give that a try. Oh, yeah, I can. It's standing there perfectly. Hey, bestie, look at me. I'm balancing a water bottle on my head. You're balancing a water bottle on your head? Yeah, look at me. The bottle is perfectly still. Are you now? Let me see. See? The bottle is standing pretty still. Oh, that's cool. That's pretty cool, boys. Alright, where was I? Let's see. Bestie? What are you doing? I'm scrolling on TikTok, because why not? You're always scrolling on TikTok. Why is that? Because they got some pretty good stuff on there. Oh, really? Can I see what you're watching on there? Yeah. You can. Ugh. I had to take that water bottle off my head. It was cold. Ugh, I got cold chills. Okay. Here, see for yourself. Alright, let me see what you're watching. Oh, you're watching kitty cats? That's so cute.
I'm not gonna work and she wasn't gonna go away.
Okay, fine. I'll go away. You just ain't gonna get your donuts.
Mama, come back. Craighead, you are such a sellout. You had donuts?
I do.
Yippee! You know what goes good with donuts? Beer. I better have some chocolate milk. Mama, did I get chocolate milk too?
Hang on, I'm getting it.
Well, hurry the hell up, I'm thirsty.
I said I'm getting it, okay?
Rude.
Here is your chocolate milk.
Thank you, woman.
Here, Weezer, I got your orange drink.
Oh, yippee, I ain't never had that one.
It's really good. And Tigger, I brought you 2 beers this time.
Oh, thank you, Mama. Oh, thank you for these donuts, too.
Bye, guys.
They got such goofy voices. I like those goofy voices. Yeah, that's how they were made. Now, can I have the phone back? Not yet. I'm gonna watch one more TikTok. Alright. After you're done watching that, you're giving the phone back to me. Ooh, that was a good one. I'm gonna watch some more. Melissa, can I get the phone back? Not yet. Ooh, that was a nice one. Alright, that's it. I'm getting the phone back. Oh, come on! I was watching that! Well, I had to take it because you were getting too carried away of all those TikToks you were watching. Angelica, I was busy watching TikTok. Why'd you do that? Well, I'm sorry, Melissa, but you were getting way too carried away, so I had to take it. I'm sorry. Just, if you want to keep watching TikTok, then watch it on your tablet. I'll have TikTok on my tablet. You don't, fine. I'll install the app for you. Alright. I guess I'll wait for you to get it set up. I can't wait to watch more cats on TikTok.